Do you know that in ancient Greece, gray hair was not a problem for women? Through our research, we discovered their wonderful secret, and we revealed it to you. Stay tuned. Women in ancient Greece devoted a lot of time to beauty care and much more to their hair, which they always kept long. However, they too had to deal with the ravages of time that graying hair brought. A wonderful and effective recipe with 3 natural ingredients was the ultimate remedy to deal with the problem. So let's see the recipe. In 3 liters of water, they boiled for 5 minutes a handful of rosemary, a handful of bay leaves, and a handful of walnut leaves. Then they let it cool, and after draining it, they stored it in a cool place. With this mixture, they soaked their hair and let it dry by wrapping their heads in a scarf. This process lasted for 20 days. The result of this treatment was essentially an absolutely natural dye that gave the hair a wonderful dark natural color that lasted for a very long time and gave strength and shine to their hair.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.